Alright gang, welcome to Plexus International. Today we're going to be talking about CQIs, and one of the questions that you may have is, how do I actually do a CQI assessment? Now, while how you do the assessment is unique to your organization, your context, I'm going to give you a couple things that you probably should be doing in the assessment in order to make sure that it goes off the way that it probably should. One of the requirements for CQIs is the use of process approach in performing that assessment. So for my systems auditors out there, the same way you would perform a systems-based audit is the way that you're going to perform this assessment, which means do not go out with the checklist and just start banging off the process one question after the other. Here's a tip. If that assessment turns a trail into a rail, you're doing the assessment incorrectly. So you're going to perform the assessment from a process approach. And the second tip that I'm going to give you, when you do the assessment, there is a significant shift between doing the assessment to be compliant and doing the assessment to be effective. So you want to dig down to a level that allows you to validate the effectiveness of your system, because it does you no good to do the assessment, lie to yourself, and then find that you have a lot of performance issues afterward that could have been caught by just doing a few more samples. While the job audit does require a certain number of parts, your role as somebody that's doing the assessment should be to validate the effectiveness of the system with an appropriate sample size. Alright gang, so that's it on how to do the assessment here. If you like this and you want a little bit more, check out Plexus INTL for more content on management systems, CQIs, core tools, and everything in between. Alright, we'll see you in the next one.